Welcome to the world of online wealth creation. Have you ever found yourself wondering how some people seem to make a fortune online with minimal effort? How they manage to create a steady stream of income while enjoying the comfort of their homes? Today, we're going to unravel the secret behind their success. eBay dropshipping. Yes, you heard it right. eBay, the global online marketplace that you've probably used to buy or sell items, can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. But how, you ask? Through a simple yet powerful business model called dropshipping. But wait, what exactly is dropshipping? And why eBay? Could eBay, a platform that's been around for more than 2 decades, be the hidden gem of online wealth that most people overlook? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of eBay dropshipping, demystify its workings, and reveal how it could potentially be your secret weapon for generating online wealth. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's get started. What exactly is dropshipping? In simple terms, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. So, how does this work specifically on eBay? Well, eBay dropshipping involves listing a product for sale on eBay, then purchasing it from a supplier only after a customer has placed an order. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer, and you pocket the difference between the supplier's price and your sale price. Sounds simple, right? Let's dive into the topic of why eBay dropshipping. Have you ever wondered why eBay, out of all the e-commerce platforms, is a popular choice for dropshipping? What makes it stand out? Could it be that eBay is a hidden gem in the vast sea of online wealth creation? Firstly, eBay's global reach is undeniable. With over 1.7 billion live listings and 182 million users worldwide, it provides a vast marketplace for dropshippers. Secondly, eBay's user-friendly interface and simplified listing process make it an attractive platform for beginners. It's easy to set up a store and start selling. Moreover, eBay's reputation as a trusted online marketplace gives it an edge. Customers feel secure making purchases on eBay, which can lead to higher sales for dropshippers. Lastly, unlike other platforms, eBay allows selling used items, opening up a whole new world of possibilities for dropshippers. So, is eBay the ultimate platform for dropshipping, or are there hidden challenges that one should be aware of? Stay tuned as we unravel these questions in our journey to unveil eBay dropshipping. What do you think? Is eBay your ticket to online wealth? Let's explore further. Firstly, market research is your compass. It guides your dropshipping journey. But how does one conduct effective market research? And what should you be looking for? The key is to identify trending products and niches. Look for what's selling and, more importantly, who's buying. Next, choosing the right product is akin to picking a winning lottery ticket. It could make or break your dropshipping venture. But how do you spot these winning products on eBay? The secret lies in understanding customer needs and staying ahead of trends. Then, there's the task of finding reliable suppliers. They're the backbone of your dropshipping business. But how do you sift through the multitude to find the ones you can trust? Building strong relationships and ensuring timely communication is the key. Setting up your eBay store is your next step. It's your storefront, the first impression you make on your customers. But what makes a successful eBay store? A user-friendly interface, clear product descriptions, and excellent customer service are just the start. Finally, listing your products. It's more than just uploading pictures and writing descriptions. It's about persuading customers to choose your product over thousands of others. But how do you create compelling listings? High-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing are your secret weapons. But how do you navigate this exciting landscape? The secret lies in mastering a few key strategies. First, customer service is king. Respond promptly and professionally to customer inquiries and complaints. Your reputation as a seller depends on it. Second, inventory management is crucial. Use automated tools to keep track of your stock levels and avoid disappointing customers with out-of-stock items. Third, optimize your listings. Use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing to make your products stand out. But remember, the most successful eBay dropshippers don't just follow the crowd. They're constantly experimenting, learning, and adapting. So don't be afraid to try new strategies and see what works for you. And finally, always keep an eye on your performance metrics. These can provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of eBay dropshipping success? The journey might be challenging, but with these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to online wealth. Remember, the key to success is not just knowledge, but action. So, start implementing these strategies today and watch your eBay dropshipping business thrive. Embarking on your eBay dropshipping journey is thrilling, but it's not without its challenges. One of the most common hurdles is inventory management. With dropshipping, you're selling products you don't physically have, making it tricky to keep track of stock levels. But don't let this deter you. Implementing an automated inventory management system can help you stay on top of your stock and prevent the dreaded out-of-stock scenario. Another challenge is dealing with suppliers. Not all suppliers are reliable, and a delayed shipment or poor quality product can harm your reputation. The solution? Do your homework. Research potential suppliers thoroughly and maintain open communication with them. Lastly, there's the challenge of standing out in a crowded marketplace. With so many sellers on eBay, how do you make your listings shine? The answer lies in optimizing your product listings with SEO-friendly titles, detailed descriptions, and high-quality images. And remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. So, when you encounter these hurdles, see them as stepping stones on your path to online wealth. Like any venture, eBay dropshipping demands dedication and strategic planning. Yet, with the right approach, it can indeed be a lucrative income source. It's an ocean of opportunities waiting to be explored.